Hi, I'm Jim Weaver, and I'm a software developer who spent a lot of time working with and leading teams. I've supported teams developing software with Jira as their tracking tool for much of that time. Jira is a tool with a wealth of customization points, so many that things can sometimes be a little confusing when trying to tailor Jira to your needs. This course, Jira Project Customization, is part of the planning, tracking, and releasing software with Jira skill path here at Pluralsight, and it will cover how to perform a wide range of Jira customizations to support the practical needs of a team. We'll be making customizations for the Carved Rock Fitness software development team introduced in the Jira Getting Started course. They've added a tester to their team, and many of the customizations we'll make in this course will be to support that tester's work on the team. We'll cover adding project roles and categories, adding issue types, adding custom fields and customizing field configurations, adding and customizing screens, customizing notifications, adding priorities, resolutions, and statuses, and creating and modifying permissions and security schemes. We may even customize your kitchen sink. Well, maybe not, but we will throw in a quick look at 2 new features in Jira Cloud, the new issue view, and next-gen projects. The only customization we won't cover in this course is creating custom workflows, and that will be covered in the next course on this path, Jira Workflow Creation and Customization. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to customize your own projects in Jira.